locate her and actually follow her.
And you mentioned the current charges. Do you know what those are?
Yes, ma'am. As of right now, it is a sexual assault. I believe that is 3 counts of that.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
Given this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Ms.
do.
Watson
Yes, ma'am, I do.
and Mr. Williams.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Ms. Holland, if you could turn your camera off, ma'am. We're in another hearing right now.
And Your Honor, I believe Ms. Hollins may be with Mr. Williams. However, we're not calling her as a witness, and I haven't spoken to her. I'm not sure if Mr. Williams is going to be calling anyone.
Oh, okay. I didn't know she was a part of this case. Ms. Holland, you can turn your camera back on, but I need to swear you in also. Can you raise your right hand? Miss Gatson and Mr. Williams, you can lower your hands. Ms. Holland, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you may lower your hand, and you may proceed, Ms. Sweet.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd first like to invoke the rule if Ms. Hollins is going to be called to testify.
And then the rule will be invoked. Ms. Holland, that means that you will have to go into a breakout room until you're called to testify, ma'am. If you're called to testify. So
Okay.
I don't know what breakout room she was in, Ms. Sweet.
She can be invited to breakout room 6.
Okay. If you can join breakout room 6, Ms. Hollins, it would be appreciated. All right. Okay, Ms. Sweet, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I first need to call Ms. Gatson for service.
You may.
Ma'am, what is your full name?
Chanel Gadsden.
And have you received an email copy of the state's motion this morning?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Before today, did someone come to your home and hand you a copy of that document?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand your right to be personally served at your home with the state's motion?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to waive that right and accept the email copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand that you have a right to request that this case be reset to file an answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to waive that right and proceed with the terms of an order today?
I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am, I am. I'm ready to proceed.
Thank you. Your Honor, I pass the witness and will request that the record be updated to reflect Ms. Gatson has waived her right to service and citation.
The record will so reflect.
Thank you, Your Honor. We are here, I believe, on a partially agreed order in suit for modification of support order and to confirm support arrearage. The disagreed terms include possible dual non-disclosures, court costs, and the source of the health insurance. If I may read the agreed terms and then take testimony.
You may.
Thank you, Your Honor. There was one child before the court, and the prior order did require Ms. Gatson to pay child support of $250 a month beginning December 1st, 2022, and medical support of $100 a month beginning the same day. There is child support arrears balance. However, the child does reside with Ms. Gatson and has resided with her since at least March of 2024, and possession credits would make the child support judgment after possession credit $0 as of November 11th, 2025. Similarly, with medical support, the possession credits would wipe out any medical support judgment so that it is $0 as of November 11th, 2025. We are also modifying the final order in suit affecting the parent-child relationship signed January 30th of 2023. Any additional healthcare expenses to be covered by the parents 50-50. Child support and cash medical support and cash dental support all set to $0 since the child does reside with Ms. Gatson. And that those $0 payments will begin December 1st. And I believe Ms. Gatson is requesting a waiver of court costs, and that both parents are requesting a non-disclosure of their address and identifying information other than email addresses. That is the extent of the terms of the order, Your Honor, if I may recall, Ms. Gatson.
Miss Sweet, maybe I missed it. Did you say who was carrying health insurance and how it was going to be covered?
Your Honor, there's a disagreement as to
Okay, that's
that.
what I needed to know. Okay, thank you, Miss Sweet. You may proceed.
Thank you. Ms. Gatson, did you hear the terms I read to the court?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand those terms?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Are you in agreement with those terms and believe they're in your child's best interest?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
And your child has been living with you since around March of 2024, if not earlier. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am, that's correct.
And do you understand the possession credits from March of 2024 until this month would wipe out both your child and medical support arrears?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you also understand that your child support moving forward is going to be set to $0 a month?
Yes, ma'am.
And how is your child currently covered as far as health insurance?
She's through WellPoint Medicaid.
And are you the parent currently applying for that?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
And why did your child come to reside with you?
Due to the father's incarceration.
Okay. And how long has your child been covered on the current health plan?
Since June of 2024.
And you're wanting to continue with a government medical plan for your child, is that correct?
That's correct.
Do you understand that since no one has filed to change over conservatorship that Mr. Williams would be required to apply for and maintain that government medical plan?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
But you would not, your cash medical support obligation would be $0, regardless of whether it's a government or private plan. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you be in disagreement with Mr. Williams continuing to carry your child on a private insurance plan through another source that is not his employer?
No, that's fine.
Okay. So you would be in agreement to that health and dental insurance through the source that Mr. Williams has?
Yes, ma'am, that's fine.
And do you have safety concerns with Mr. Williams having your address or phone number?
Due to his charges, I am a mother of 3 daughters, and there has been history with back and forth with both I and Mr. Williams. I just think it's in the best interest of if my address isn't disclosed. I have had members of his family try to locate her and actually follow her.
And you mentioned the current charges. Do you know what those are?
Yes, ma'am. As of right now, it is a sexual assault. I believe that is 3 counts of that on a minor.
And
It's It's aggravated sexual assault on a child, indecency with a child, sexual contact, and sexual contact assault with a child.
And would you be in agreement, though, with your email address being included?
Yeah.
Then I pass the witness would like to call Mr. Williams.
You may.
Sir, what is your full name?
Damon Williams.
And did you hear the terms I read to the court?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand those terms?
Yes.
Were you in agreement with those terms and believe they're in the best interest of your child?
Yes.
And you also heard Ms. Gatson's testimony, correct?
I did.
And so she is in agreement with you carrying health and dental insurance through a source other than your employer. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. And what is that source of the health insurance?
It's through my wife's plan.
Okay. And is she also carrying dental insurance for your child?
I believe she is. You would have to talk to her. You would have to bring her in, witness on what plan it was and what she was carrying.
But do you understand that Ms. Gatson's support for those plans and for the child support is going to be $0 beginning December 1st?
Yes.
And do you have any safety concerns with Ms. Williams, or excuse me, with Ms. Gatson having your current address?
Well, she has my current address at the unit I'm at. Yes, I do. But as far as my home, she has that address. She knows exactly that address. But no, I don't want her to know what unit I'm at.
And when you are released or moved to an address that's not a matter of public record, are you wanting her to have that address when you get out?
No,
And can you tell the court why?
because she is currently on probation for burglary of a habitation with intent to harm. We've also have had disturbances in the past. We have never had I filed a police report through Dallas County. There were police reports. Plus, I believe she had CPS cases against her for acts of violence.
And would you be in agreement to Ms. Gatson having a non-disclosure as well?
No.
Can you tell the court why?
For the simple reason, I've never done anything to her. I've never been arrested for anything done to her. I've never done anything to my daughter. There's no CPS cases against me in connection with my daughter or me harming her in any type of fashion.
Your Honor, passive witness would like to recall Ms. Gatson.
You may.
Ms. Gatson, are you requesting that the court waive court costs?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Is that due to your child having been in your possession?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, I pass the witness and will request a ruling as to court costs and the request for dual non-disclosures.
Okay. Then I will accept the agreed portions of the order so far as there are agreed portions. I'll make the agreed portions the order of the court. I will deny both non-disclosures. And what was the other thing I needed to rule on, Ms. Sweet?
Court costs, Your Honor.
Oh, and court costs is waived. Sorry.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is there anything further?
Not from the state.
Yes,
No.
Your Honor.
Yes.
So this is my concern. I'm not really concerned with the child support. What I'm concerned with is that I didn't give her permission to take custody or possession. I'm sorry. I didn't give her permission to take possession of my daughter. Although I was incarcerated at the time, that incarceration was not final. I was not convicted. She's basically taken her and hidden her from me and my entire family. I have no way of contacting her, and neither of my family members have a way of contacting her. I believe she talks to her sibling through some internet source, but she doesn't have a
Mr.
phone.
Williams,
So
I didn't grant the non-disclosure, so her information will
I know,
be in
ma'am.
order.
I just want to make sure that I'm going to be able to contact her and that she cannot keep her away from me.
I can't tell you yes or no, sir. What I will
Okay.
tell you is that I did not grant the non-disclosure, so
Yes, ma'am.
the contact information will be in the order. Your contact information will be in the order, and you'll have to go from there. About her taking the child without you knowing, then you should have hired an attorney and had them file something on your behalf. But other than that,
That's the reason why we're having this court date. I actually filed it, and I applied a habeas corpus, but I guess it triggered this proceeding first.
I'm not sure what triggered what, sir, but
Yes, ma'am.
you will have to do all of that in another proceeding, because this proceeding doesn't concern conservatorship or visitation. Okay?
Okay.
It's just concerning the money.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
All right.
You have any other questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then thank you both for appearing here today. Or should I say thank you all for appearing here today, and you're all free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
Have a good evening.
You too.